I'm Danny Brown, and you're listening to 1 Minute Podcast Tips, the show that helps you be a better podcaster in just a minute a week. If you want more specific tips just for you and your podcast, check out the Magic Mike membership at 1minutepodcasttips.com/support. And now, this week's episode. When it comes to using a screen for your microphone, there's generally two options. There's the windscreen that often comes with the mic itself, and this is like the little foam sort of sock that goes over the top of the mic. Or you have a standalone pop filter. This is a standalone that usually clips onto the mic or clips onto the arm if you're using an arm, and normally that's a plastic circle with foam in the middle, and the foam sits between your mouth and the microphone. And there's pros and cons to both. The windscreen looks better if you're on camera, but the quality of the foam can be questionable depending on the manufacturer. If the foam's too thin, then it won't really offer any protection against plosives, so it's not really doing the job it's meant to be doing. With the standalone pop filter, these are usually better, but because they are quite big, they can look awkward if you're on screen or doing a video. In that case, if you do want to use a windscreen that goes onto the mic itself, a little trick is to have about an inch gap between the end of the microphone and the foam itself. This adds a bit more space between your mouth and the microphone, and this really helps to avoid the plosives. So really the choice is yours, either the windscreen that goes on top of the mic or the standalone pop filter. But both are really good at helping reduce plosives and getting rid of that loud P or B noise that you can sometimes hear on podcasts. Until the next time, happy podcasting. Thanks for listening. If you enjoy 1 Minute Podcast Tips, be sure to share with your friends and other podcasters so they can enjoy it too. Until the next time, happy podcasting.